So let's have now solving a system of linear equation by elimination. So in this case, when we say elimination, we are to eliminate one of the variable in order for us to solve the other variable. So we will follow the following steps. Step 1. Write both equations in standard form. If any of the coefficients are fractions, clear them. So this means that if the given system of linear equation is not in a standard form, we need to write or rewrite this form into standard form. And if there's a case that your coefficients are fraction, we need to clear them by multiplying the denominator to the whole equations. Step 2. Make the coefficient one of the variable opposites. Decide which variable will you eliminate and multiply one or both equations so that the coefficients of the variable are opposite. So in this part, ito yung part na medyo crucial kasi you are to decide which variable are you to eliminate. So to eliminate naman yan, kailangan opposite siya sa second equation mo. Let's say your y is 3 or 3y, dapat i-add mo siya or yung opposite niya will be negative 3y. Kung x naman siya, then ang isa is positive 2, kailangan yung isa magiging negative 2x. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng step 2. Anyway, we'll have this during our solving. Step 3, add the equations resulting from step 2 to eliminate one variable. Solve for the remaining variable. So, when we say resulting from step 2, kasi you are nag-multiply ka, so merong bagong equations. So, yung bagong equation, yun ang i-add mo sa remaining equations. Sige lang. We will have this. Mas maintindihan ito if we have the examples. Step 4, substitute the solution from step 3 into one of the original equations, then solve for the other variable. Same as the substitution method, pag meron na kayong isang variable, i-substitute nyo na doon sa given or doon sa other original equation to solve for the other variable. Then step 5, don't forget to write the solution as an ordered pair. And lastly, we will check if the given ordered pair is a solution to both original equations. So let's have the example. We have the system of linear equation 3x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 7. So following the steps, step 1, write the equations in standard form. So in this case, the given is already in the standard form. So there is no need to rewrite this one to other forms. Okay, so we'll have this as a standard form. So we already have the equation 1, which is 3x plus y equals 5, and equation 2 is 2x minus 3y equals 7. So naka-standard form na sila. Step 2 rather, we will eliminate one of the variable. To eliminate one of the variable, we will decide which variable. Now, to decide this one, titingnan ninyo ano yung pinakamadaling bigyan ng opposite number or opposite coefficient. So, titingnan natin yung x. We have the coefficient 3 and coefficient 2. Kailangan daw ito maging same sila na number pero opposite sign. So, hahanap kayo ng number na pwedeng i-multiply sa kanila para mag-same sila na number. At the same time, different sign. Sa y, ganun din. So, we have negative 3 and positive 1. So, paano kaya magiging the same ito sila? So, yun yung i-decide natin sa step 2. So, to solve this one, let's try to look for the opposite coefficient of the variable y. So, bakit y? Kasi 1 and 3 lang. So, mababa lang yung number na pwede mong i-change. So, yung negative 3, kailangan niya magkaroon ng opposite sign na positive 3. So, gagawin nating positive 3 itong y. Paano? We will multiply the whole equation by 3. So, multiply multiply equation 1 by positive 3. So we have 3 times 3x plus y equals 5. So distribute 3 times 3x, that is 9x. 3 times y, that is positive 3y. And 3 times 5, that is equal to positive 15. So this is now the resulting equation. After you multiply equation 1 sa 3, nagkaroon na kayo ng 9x plus 3y equals 15. So ito na yung ating new equation, and let's name this as equation 3. So itong equation 3, pwede na natin siyang gamitin sa step 3, which is adding the resulting equation to the other original equation. So we have now equation 3, 9x plus 3y equals 15. I-add daw natin siya dun sa other equation, which is 2x minus 3y equals 7. As you observe, yan, we already have this variable. So 9x plus 2x, that is 11x. And this part, we have 3y plus negative 3y. When you add two numbers with the same number but different sign, the answer will always be 0. So in this case, we can now eliminate the variable y. So nawala na yung variable na y, so we'll now focus on the variable x. So this is why we are having the elimination method. 15 plus 11, we have 22. So we will divide each term or each number or this part by 11. So divided by 11, so we have now x is equal to 2. So we have now the variable x, which is equal to 2. Now step 4. We have now one of the variable, which is x is equal to 2. To solve for the other variable, we will substitute the given solution to any of the original equation. So let's try to use equation 2. Let me check first. Again, equation 2 is 2x minus 3y equals 7. So we have 2x minus 3y equals 7. We have now the value of x, which is 2. So 2 times 2 minus 3y equals 7. 2 times 2, we have 4 minus 3y equals 7. We cannot subtract 4 sa 3, so we will transpose 4. So you will have now negative 3y is equal to 7 minus 4. Negative 3y is equal to 3. So divide each number by negative 3. So you will have now the value of y, which is 3 divided by negative 3, that is negative 1. So we have now the variable y, which is equal to negative 1. So we have now the two variables, the x and y. So we can now write this as an ordered pair. So we have 2 and negative 1. To check if this ordered pair is correct or a solution, we will substitute the two variables in each original equation. So let's have equation 1. Equation 1 is, let me check first, 3x. 3x plus y is equal to 5. Our x is 2, our y is negative 1. So 3 times 2 plus negative 1 is equal to 5. So 3 times 2, that is 6. 1 time positive times negative 1, that is negative 1, is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So that is true. For equation 2, we have 2x minus 3y. Let me clear this first. Minus 3y is equal to 7. So 2 times 2 minus 3 times negative 1 is equal to 7. So we have 4. Negative 3 times negative 1, that is positive 3, is equal to 7. So 4 plus 3, that is indeed equal to 7. So both equations are true for the given ordered pair 2 and negative 1.